Kartel big and bad back in the day. But what about now? Can the world boss regain his crown in a changed musical landscape?
13 years, a long time in anyone's life.
True.
13 years in dancehall, a lifetime.
True.
Can you still be the man, although the sound of the music has changed?
Yeah, the sound of the music changed, but who set the trend? Think about it. Most of the youth them what you see now, them bleach out, them full of tattoo. Who that? A Kartel. Anyone me do a DNA right now, half a dancehall of my picnic. Them can't trick me. I remember we adapt, you know, because we always a change with style, we always a change with sound. You see when they walk out of prison in an orange kerchief, in that style, yeah. And right now kerchief raised from $120 to $1,000. Just think about it. And we are the trendsetter from day one.
But the kids who always listen to you, they've moved on to other people though.
Yeah, they move on
moved
because
on to other DJs who have a different sort of vibe and flow.
Yeah, but think about this. If you go up on TikTok right now, who are the biggest trending artists? Vybz Kartel. Who run TikTok? The kids then. So you find you have some 15-year-old girl and some 16-year-old girl a dance to all. She says she want shatter. She now want Harry Potter. Them song they are 20 years old, you know, Mr. Miller. Them song they are 18 years old, 21 years old. And that the kids them have vibes too. Because if you compare me to the nowadays youth them, remember Vybz Kartel that same way the scale I got tilt like this. In the same way Bob Marley did from 1981, and when we look on iTunes, we see stay so. So that's how it go. Good music can't dead man, and great man live forever.
So me ask you up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel.
So what did you represent to the system for them to view you as a kind of threat?
Them I say, me mash up the picnic them and I lead them astray. Some I say, me have too much influence. So me feel like it's a combination of that. It's not the entire system, you know. Because I mean, not the system, because the system does work. That's how it go, you know. Same way them used to fight Bob Marley. And Bob Marley never sing a gun song yet. So it was never about the lyrics. Same way them fight Bob Marley, and him never do a gun song. He never tell the girl them fi wine pan them head top. So what them is a fighting for? It was always about the influence.
Some people will take offense at the comparison with Bob Marley.
No man no more than a man. I can't compare myself with all Jesus. No man no more than a man. When you walk on the earth, you're no more than me.
What do you think you represent to the youth today?
Legend, uncle, godfather.
You did go to prison for 13 years, but the fascination preceded your incarceration. Why are people so fascinated by you?
Because I do things my way. I think of that. In the same way when the system rise against me, I stand up on my 2 foot and I fight it. People respect the underdog who can fight back and win, you know. And people respect a youth to come different. So it's just a combination of a lot of things that make Vybz Kartel so appealing. Because remember, I stay a prisoner and sell gold and silver, you know, and get artists of the decade, you know. Which that decade they are prison me there.
You were busy in prison churning out music.
They want me to do Anthony Miller, I couldn't bake. Me are no baker. So music me that feel right through. As the comedian say, you have to do a one line and a peep if nobody will come. Fever! And I look if the you know, but yeah, man.
Plus, some people were on your side in the institution who were representative of the institution.
No, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Did you have to hide and do it?
Yeah.
But you entered prison a star. Did you get star treatment?
I never get ill treatment. Mr. Reed, you can't take on my phone again. Big up still.
The return show, set to pull tens of thousands of Kartel-starved fans to his first post-prison performance. He says it will be in December. Or is that too soon? Mentions a couple names he'd want alongside him on that stage.
I like people still, you know. So, I don't know. Spice, you know, Skilly Bang.
Are the offers coming in? Can you even take some of those calls?
Yeah, man, I take the call them. I love money. The first show in December, Jamaica. We have Trinidad, we have Bahamas, and we are negotiating right now for Grenada and Barbados. So we'll be spinning there like tornadoes. Well, I'm not give you the location, you know, but I think you know what the promoter. I can't go one-man campaign, you know, because it's a hefty sum. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
Mr. Miller, one thing I want to tell the people them out at the airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because you see that show ya, I think the venue will about 50 to 100,000 people. And I tell you, say, when the venue full with 100,000 people, I know say 100,000 people are go outside. And I not talk to them outside, I talk straight.
And those 13 years would have taught you what lesson in particular?
Time is precious. Don't play with it. And as much as you can, stay out of bad energy. Because sometimes you don't have to do nothing, you know. You can just step on a corner with your little school friend, you know. And you don't know your school friend a gunman, you know. And a man come and fire be a shot and you dead all your school friend escape, you know. So as much as you can, you stay out of negative energy. And just know that time is precious. And when it's gone, you can't get it back. You know, that's the biggest lesson.
You have any political aspirations?
Well, one thing I know, if I run for MP, I can't lose. That's what I'm sure about. And I could leave it at that.
What would be the first thing that would occur to you to say to people based on the accumulated experience of 13 years in prison?
Time is so precious. You can't get it back. You can't get back money. Because I say from I come from prison, the amount of money when I get back. Although I never broke, the amount of money I have to spend for fight that case. Yeah. As enough as it is, I almost make it back already. But to me, the money not evil. I say just for evil hold my granddaughter and my aunt and them things there. Them things right now important to me. Set me free. Hey, here. Y'all run down the Gaza youth. What you expect me to do? Love them, tender touch them, but I see them every day. I'm out. Seriously up to the time, you know it's Kartel, representing for ER. It's been 13 years and they still know who we are. No? Oh.